Before I get started, it's important to remember the owner's manual has a lot of information in it, and the installation instructions, particularly on this unit, are very critical. This is a cold shelf that we've got mounted underneath a 3/4 inch thick piece of granite. And as you can see, even here in April in Wisconsin, it's producing frost. In a more humid environment, it would be producing a lot more frost, even though we don't advertise it as a frost top. Things to note about this is there's 4 corner brackets that support this unit and adjust it up so that it's directly touching this counter material. We supply with each unit a tube of thermal mastic and an applicator, which will improve the temperature transfer between the cold shelf undermount and the counter. Maybe the only way to get frost on here. Smear that thermal mastic on top of the CSU, and then you adjust it all the way up underneath this counter, and then you'll take an expanding polymer foam like the good stuff and go around the perimeter of the shelf, and what that does is it prevents any condensation building up between the shelf and the counter material. You can see on the underside of this unit that the condensing unit is not supported by the shelf. The condensing unit is actually setting on the shelf beneath it. But the condensing unit is also attached with our braided flexible copper refrigeration lines. And that allows us to rotate this condensing unit if we needed it to breathe in a different direction. So this condensing unit is actually loose. The control panel itself can be relocated within about 6 feet of the condensing unit for your convenience. Again, our cold shelf undermount, we don't advertise it to be a frost top, but in many conditions you will see frost on a countertop.